Okay, good morning. Welcome to Fitu Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make pad kimao vegetarian. The ingredient we use today is one fresh noodle, or we call whole fresh noodle, and important is the vegetarian oyster sauce, dark soy sauce. I'm not going to show. Light soy sauce, sugar, baby corn, broccoli, onion, green and red pepper. This one I have already mixed garlic, chilli, and coriander root. This one young peppercorn, krachai. This is how krachai look like, but we need to slice.
One second. Where do you think the camera is, darling?
Yeah.
This is a screen. This is the lens.
Okay, this is how krachai look like, but we need to slice this Thai long bean. Okay? Do I show you how to slice krachai? But we need to wash. But we need to wash this one first. Okay?
ทำไมไม่ wash ก่อนมันเฉาะ
No, inside you know still have some a little bit gum or but some vegetable we wash first and then slice, or some we slice and wash.
And some more, and some more.
ว่าอะไรนะ
And some more.
What did he say?
And some more. And some more. And some more. And some more.
แกจุดเตาให้ฉันสิ Okay, we wash this one.
Oh, enough of it.
ดี๋ยวไอ้ถอดออกมาเดี๋ยวพรุ่งนี้เอาไปซัก Okay, that is the fresh noodle. We need to separate this one.
And do this. Hi.
Alright, enough now, bro. Cheeky boy.
We use only half bag. Bag is okay, 400.
Just like 10 minutes, man. Can you wait 10 minutes?
Okay.
Yeah.
We use only half bag to 200 gram. This was 400 gram.
We use only foil back.
Bye-bye, หยุดนะเรียบร้อยแล้ว
Okay, now we start to record. Okay. Okay, we mix this one together. Yeah. We mix all ingredients together. Okay.
How about your hand just blocked the board? Also put everything together.
Yeah, put everything together. Okay. Now we start. Yeah, 5 minutes. vegetarian pad khee mao. Okay, now we use the rapeseed oil. And the fire have to be hot. Then we put all this one, all the ingredient we have prepared earlier to fry this one. And put a little bit of water. And then to fry it with the higher gas. The fire have to be high. Add a little bit of water. Until you make sure all these vegetables have cooked. A few minutes, actually only a few minutes. And then you put fresh noodle. When this one cook, you put fresh noodle. When the wok dry, you can add a little bit of water. It takes a little bit longer because the noodle is quite hot.
Okay, come and have a look.
Okay, now you when the noodle getting soft, you can put the taste. Put 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, vegetarian.
1 tablespoon and I'll
Yep.
get
And just a quarter spoon of dark soy sauce. Yep. A little bit of, I think about tablespoon of light soy sauce. And sugar to taste it. Last one we have to put, okay, when you taste it, you got the taste what taste you like, yeah. And then last you put basil. If you cannot get a whole basil, you can use sweet basil and slice the sweet chili. Last one. Yeah, and that's it. Okay, we're ready to serve now. Okay.
So now we're gonna have a taste test. So I love pad khee mao. Oh, it's got a kick in it. You can hear the crunch of the veg. Absolutely amazing. Oh, that looks so good. And this is completely vegan. I know some of these ingredients are difficult to get, especially like the young peppercorn and krachai. You can buy a frozen krachai that does the job perfectly well. You know, for me, this dish needs krachai, Prig Thai Sod or young peppercorn, chilli, and the basil. So, whatever it is, if I've eaten it, you know, you should try the best to get those. If you can't, then substitute. But don't substitute this with ginger. If you can't get it, just leave it out. Well, that's it for another video. Hope you enjoyed that. And we'll see you again next week for more fun and frolics. Take care now. Bye.